What's up, everybody? Tom Get back here again, and we're cooking with the kid. Cheap macaroni and cheese. And Bristol ham. Hold up. Look at these bad boys. And they're about to get treats too, and that's what's up. So here's the Bristol ham. And we're doing it a quick way today. Go in the microwave, that's what's up, 3 minutes. Okay, chicken for the animals. And we're waiting for that boil, that's what's up. Let's get Kitty first, because he's a whine ass. And that's what's up. Now we're going to get Oscar. He's like, damn, bro, hurry up. And that's what's up. Spam's almost done. We're cooking in the microwave because fuck it, why not? Now we're waiting on the noodles. And the noodles take forever, so hold up. Look at this cat, and that's what's up. Look at this dog. He's got that face like, please, sir, could I have some more? But he had plenty, and that's what's up. Ham in a bowl, and that's what's up. Because I'm a real one, a real man. My wife never has to clean dishes, and that's what's up. So yeah, that macaroni and cheese is like 4 years old. And the canned ham is like 4 years old. So macaroni and cheese and fucking canned ham, and that's what's up. And they're about both 4 years old. So if you take care of your canned goods and your dry goods, and they'll take care of you. This was just some old stock I had to get rid of. Make dinner with, and that's what's up. So cooking with the cat. And macaroni and cheese and canned ham, and that's what's up. So stay strong, stay safe, stay positive, come up with a plan, make it a damn good plan, have a damn good backup plan, have a damn good sitting in a plan, have a damn good hotel plan, and that's what's up. I'm going to show you the animals one more time before we hit the split. Trouble! That's what's up. And there's Oscar. Alright, well, we're done for the day, and that's what's up. Tom, cut out. I love you guys.